Hello friends, my name is Avinash Kumar Sharma and today I'm going to discuss with you all about the topic red black tree. So starting with the what is red black tree? It is a binary search tree that guarantees a running complexity time of big O or log n. And how to identify a red black tree? So we have a special attribute, a color attribute for that. So we have two types of colors, that is red and black color, to identify the nodes of red black tree. So and how to identify whether the tree is balanced or not? So in order to identify that, we have a rule that ensures that no path is twice longer than any other path. So coming to the properties, what are the properties of a red black tree? Every node is either red or black. It is the basic rule of a red black tree that every node should be either red or black. Starting from the root node must always be a black node, and in the same way, every leaf node, that is the lowest node, should also be black. If a node is red, then both its children should be black. For each node, all paths from the node to descent leaves contain the same number of black nodes. This means that whenever we point to a particular node, then all the paths just below that particular node should have exact same number of black nodes. So here in this video we'll be discussing on deletion, how to delete a particular node in a red black tree. So as we already told that it is a binary search tree. So in order to delete a particular node, first what we have to do is just identify that particular node using binary search. So when we identified that particular node, now we have to check whether it has two null children or not. It is the simple case if we identify that it has null children or not. Now next what we have to do is just convert that two null children into a 0 or 1 not null children case. Now if we have done that part, so it will be a lot easier for us to delete node now. Next step, what we have to do is just identify whether the node that is to be deleted is red or its child is red. If it's a red case, then it will be easier for us now easily to delete a red node. If this is not the case, then we have a special case, that is double black node case. Here we have to deal with 6 other cases to delete a particular node in that red black tree and manage the balancing of that red black tree. So here are the common ideas. In this slide we have two nodes. One is child node and other is the parent node, that is red node. So in order to delete that red node, what we have to do is just that replace this red node with C, that is black node, and swap the color of that red node. So at the end of this conversion, what we'll get, that C will be on the upper part, that is it will become root node, and the color will be changed as the color of that root node will be changed as black. Now in this case it is also similar, but here what we have done is that here the root node is black node and the child node is red node. So after deletion of that black root node, that is M, what we'll get is that as in the previous case, this C, that is red node, will come upward and it will replace this M node, and what happens next is that the color of that node will remain as black. Now the third case comes, that what happens if both root node and child node are black. In this situation we have some managing problems. So we have to deal with 6 other cases, because if we see here in this, the root node is M and the child node is C. So if we delete a black node, that is root node M, so what happens, this C node comes upward, and the chance occurs that there is a loss of a black node. So there is a in this the problems occur that there is a loose black count, so we have to manage that. Now here comes the 6 double black node deletion cases. In this first case, what we are doing is that we are just simply removing the root node and removing this one root node and replacing it with 2, since both the colors are same, that is black color. So here the color will be the same. Now comes the second case. Here is sibling case. Here we have a particular node that is to be deleted, its parent node and a sibling. Sibling has a left child and a right child as SL and SR. What is the main case here is that sibling is red. Sibling's color is red. So how will perform deletion of this particular node N? In this part, what we have to do is that just rotate through the parent. Take this parent position and rotate about its axis, and then swap the color of P and S. Swapping color of this P and S will form a new node and new situation, which will be maybe balanced. So here is the case. We have swapped the color of P and S after rotating this from P. Here the S left child is transferred to the parent's right, and that node what we have to delete has become the left child of this parent node. In this similar case, here what is done is that parent has changed its color to P, and the node which is to be deleted is now in the right side. So if it's not the case, again, if case 2 is not satisfied, then we have a next case, that is when siblings is also black. Here all the cases, in the previous case it was that the sibling was red. Now here comes the condition, what if sibling also is black? In this case, what we have to do is just that we have to swap the color of that sibling from black to red, and the next part what we have to do is just perform recursive call case on parent P, because it may the problem occur that when we swap the color this, then there will be problem for red black tree management. It may the situation may occur that the tree will not be balanced, so we have to look forward for that, and we'll have to recursively call that case 1 on parent P. Well, if it is also not the case, then we have got our next case. Here what is the case is that both S and N, sibling and this node to be deleted, are black. Also the siblings left and right child are also black, but the case with parent is that it is red. So what we have to do is just that color P as black and S as red. Here we will transform the color, swap the colors of both P and S. So as the outcome of this, what we will get is that parent becomes black, and this S becomes, that is sibling, becomes red. Now what comes the next is that if it's also not the case, here if it is also not the situation, then we have to move to our next case, that is case number 5. Here in this situation, what is done is that sibling is black, sibling's left child is black, or sibling right child is red. In another case, here we have seen that parent is black, the sibling is black, siblings right is black, and but the siblings left is red. So what we'll do in this case, we have a trouble situation now here. So what we have to look down is just that first we have to rotate about rotate through S as axis, that is sibling. We have to rotate about S sibling, and then we have to do is just that change the color of S sibling to red and the child to black. What we have to do finally is that change the color of these left child and right child of sibling into black color and transform the color of this sibling as red. So at the end of rotation, what we'll get is that we have rotated about this sibling S, and we have transformed the color of that sibling. We have changed the color of this sibling from black to this red, and both is left child and right child after rotation is transformed to the black color. Well, this is the easiest case, but we have to look whether the tree is completely balanced or not. Well, if it is also not the case, then we have a final case, that is last, sixth case. In this case, the color of parent doesn't matter for us. We'll be simply looking on the color of that particular node to be deleted, the sibling, and this left child of that sibling. Sibling's left child should be red in this case, and the particular sibling should be black. So what we have to do here is just that rotate about the parent axis. We have to take this parent node and we'll be rotating this tree, rotating this whole tree through this parent. And finally, what we'll get to know is that here after rotating and switching colors, what we have to do is just that rotate through parent first, and then swap the colors of swapping of color is done. So in swapping, what we will get finally is that all the root node that is parent, the leaf node. First what we are looking at is leaf node. In leaf node, what will be what change will be found is that the color of that leaf node, that is SL in this case and SR in this case, will be transformed into black color node. So at the end here, what we see that the color has changed from red to black. And sibling, we have rotated from P, and now the sibling has come into the top root node. Parent has gone on the right side of that sibling, whose right child has become the node that is to be deleted in this case. Similarly, it is the same case with this, where we have sibling on the top S right, yani ki that's right child of that sibling is on right side, and we have our parent node in the left side, and also for the parent, the node to be deleted is in its left side. So now it will be easier for us now to delete that particular N node. So this is all what we have for deletion in this red black tree session. Thank you.